move on to using SEAGROW Shampoo. This is going to stimulate the growth, stimulate the hair and scalp, improving the blood circulation, cleansing and refreshing, enabling growth and giving her shiny, beautiful hair. We're now going to cleanse the hair with the SEAGROW shampoo. This is a stimulating shampoo for the hair and scalp, improving the blood circulation, cleaning, refreshing, and enabling growth for rich and shiny hair. The SEAGROW shampoo, like all of the shampoos, conditioners and styling products within the Lauga range, contain the Lauga Nord 5 complex, making sure that the conditioning agents and the delivery system of the conditioners to the hair gives maximum benefits and results.